How do you buy USDT, which is Tether, on the Binance Smart Chain if you live in the UK? Now, there's many different ways that you can do this, but I'm just going to show you one way. So let's head over to my laptop and show you how simple it is. So the first thing we're going to need to do is install Metamask. Now, I'm doing it on a web browser on Chrome. You can do this on Firefox. You can also do this on a mobile device. But this is my Mac PC. Obviously, it works with Windows, providing you've got Chrome or Firefox. So you want to head over to metamask.io, and it's got /en-gb. But I think it will pick up your location once you go to Metamask. So it's metamask.io. Now, I've already got Metamask installed. I've got it up here, but you should see a button that lets you add it as an extension to Chrome. So you need to click on that, go through the process and set that wallet up. It's very simple to do. You just follow the online screen instructions and then you get to create a new wallet. Now, your wallet should look something like this. It'll have 0 in there. I've just called this demo. And normally it's on the Ethereum blockchain. So it'll have Ethereum here. But that doesn't matter. This address up here, if you click on copy, that's where you're going to send your BNB to. And it's the same address for all the tokens that sit inside your MetaMask wallet. Now, the next thing we need to do is we need to go and buy the BNB. And I do that via a website called WireX. I'll leave a link for this and for MetaMask below the video. They're not affiliate links. I don't earn anything from you using these two sites, but I love this site. So let me sign into WireX. Now, just like MetaMask, you can either run this on a PC or you can run it on a mobile device. I've actually got it on both, and I mainly use the mobile device. So as you can see, we've got the two tabs, stable and crypto. But what we want to do is we want to add funds. Okay, so if we click on the Great British Pounds, we got it on stable, and we go to the Great British Pounds, you'll come down to where it says add funds. And then what you'll see is on this side, you should see you can link a card. Now, I've already got a card linked. You can do a bank transfer or you could do a regular transfer. So you would choose either a card or a bank transfer. The card, I believe, is instant. The bank transfer might take a little bit longer. So once you've got your pounds into this website, obviously you'll have to go through KYC and get this all set up because, you know, it's a bank account. But the reason why I love this is because I've got both crypto and fiat in one place. So if I'm earning crypto, I can spend it on my card because you get a card with this. You can order a debit card, a physical card that you can go into stores and spend it over stores. So once you've got your pounds in, so I'm going to go to my pounds. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on exchange. Now, what I need to type in here is BNB, and that's it there, BNB. So I've got that, and it says how much pounds do you want to do? I'm just going to do £5, but obviously you can do any amount that you like, and I'll exchange that. Click continue. It's going to tell me what I'm going to get, and I'm going to click exchange. So now I go over to my stable. You can see I've got this pop up to say that I've just added 0065, and I'm going to look for that BNB. So I'm going to go here, and I can see there's the BNB. I've got it there, $5 worth or £5 worth of BNB. Now what I want to do is to send that to MetaMask. So I come up to MetaMask, and I click on this button here that says copy. I do that. And now all I'm going to do now is click on send crypto, choose the network, Binance Smart Chain, put the address in, and in there I can put a reference or anything like that I can do. I can save this address if I want to send multiple times to the same address. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to click continue. Then I'm going to click confirm. And I'm going to click on use the maximum. I can't use the maximum because it's going to need to use some of that for a blockchain fee. So I'm going to click continue. It says it's sending this much BNB. Click send. Now it's asking me to confirm that on my mobile phone. Confirm that. Just doing that off screen. That's done. So now all I need to do is to wait for that to clear on the blockchain. So I'll go over to my MetaMask wallet and I'm going to switch from Ethereum blockchain over to the Binance Smart Chain. So there you can see that I've got my BNB inside my MetaMask wallet. So now what I want to do is exchange some of this up for Tether. So I click on that and I'm going to click on swap. and it's already identified tether for me, and I'm just going to do roughly $5 worth. Obviously you can do the amount that you want. I'm going to leave some BNB. You want to leave some BNB because you need that for blockchain fees. So click submit, view the transaction. It says pending. So if I now go back here, you can see I've got $1.64 worth of BNB, and I've now got the tether, which is the stable coin, sitting on the Binance Smart Chain. So that's how easy it is to buy crypto with the Great British Pounds. You could do that with any cryptocurrency. I've done it here with BNB because I wanted the stable coin, and I didn't do that inside WireX. And the reason being is when I want inside WireX, when I want to send the tether out of WireX, it wants me to use the Ethereum blockchain, and I'll pay much higher fees. But I bought BNB, sent it over to my MetaMask wallet, and did the swap inside here. So now I've got my stable coin sitting inside my MetaMask wallet. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and click that bell notification so you get notified when I upload a new video. You have a great day, and thanks for watching.